Are you a real estate agent working hard and making call, prospecting, but still don't see any result? You're not alone. Last month, only 6% of the real estate agent either they close a deal on the buyer or seller side. So if you feel stuck, not productive, or even starting to doubt yourself in this industry, this is for you. I talked to a lot of real estate agents recently. They're burning out, they buy the low quality loot, and they don't know what to say on the phone. And what happened? Have no appointment, no momentum, no confidence, and no deals. That's why I create a breakthrough prospecting blueprint live event where I will show you what to say on the phone, even though you don't like cold calling, and how to overcome, and follow up, into the market, and also learn how to handle the objection in today's tough market. And I'll show you how to build a simple daily schedule that actually works and make the result. This event is prepared just like you. Okay, all my friends, all my agents who joined the event, they start booking the appointment, they start closing the deals just within a couple weeks. They start rebuilding the confidence, they start closing again. Now it's your turn. If you're ready to stop spinning your wheel and want to start to turn the leads into real estate business and making money, click the link below and reserve your spot. So join me for the Breakthrough Prospecting Group thing. Remember, because you're not the problem, you just need the right system. So see you in the training. See you there. Bye.